In this guide, I'll show you how to access the final boss in Elden Ring, Shadow of the Erdtree. So when you first go through this castle and you've defeated the boss and made your way up to this final area, you'll notice that you're blocked and can't get through. So what you want to do is have a look at your map, and you're going to have to work through these different castles here. And once you work your way up and go to this final castle and defeat the boss, what you're going to want to do is go to the first floor in the storehouse. Once you're here, you want to take a left, and we're going to go through this door here, which you'll find some enemies. You can run right past them. And then you want to take this lift down. Once you're at the bottom, you want to run straight and take a right, and then you're going to take an immediate left, and you'll see this little section here. Try not to get hit, and you just want to jump over it. And once you're over, you're going to see a couple enemies. You can just ignore them or fight them if you'd like. I'm just going to keep running, though, past all these pots or jars. And once we get past them, you can go through here. And then we're going to take a right. Be careful. And go down this little staircase. And here's where you'll see a little door that you'll be able to run through with a site of grace that you can grab. So go ahead and grab that site of grace. Once you've grabbed it, we're going to continue on. And you'll have to open this door the first time, which is going to bring us to this bridge. And now you can hop on your steed, and you want to work your way to the end of this bridge, where you are going to find a mage enemy, which I recommend you kill, or else they're going to cause some problems. Once you kill the enemy, you just want to continue through this door, and then we're going to make an immediate right, and you want to work your way up this staircase. Then you'll find this lift, and you just want to take it. Now you can just run straight ahead and grab this site of grace. Then you just want to follow along because it's quite the long ride, and be sure to grab the sites of grace along the way. Once you've defeated the boss, what you want to do is just simply run straight, and here's where you'll see a tree. Now, do bear in mind, interacting with this tree will get rid of that entrance so you can fight the final boss, but do beware, a lot of NPCs will disappear, and it's essentially equivalent to burning the Erdtree in the base game. So only do this once you're finished with the DLC to access the final boss. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.